to Tech Light tutorial. Want to simplify your code life with NumPy? Let's learn how to write super fast conditional expression with just a few lines of Python code. So first, we are going to use NumPy to make handling array, a bridge and conditional expression allow you to apply logic directly to them. Let's break it down step by step. My basic idea is about a conditional expression to check a condition for each element in NumPy array. Based on this, you can apply action like a replacing value filtering. And I have a one example like means a classroom grading system. If a student has score below 40, they fail, otherwise they pass. Let's turn into the code. First, we need to import the NumPy. I think pip install numpy. If your system already there, it's not required to install. If don't, you need to write same command what I have written. It will take some times to install. I think in my system already there. Now I'm going to import these things. Import numpy as a np. Then I will create a one sample data for the student that is called core. And then after a score, I need to give the student of a score. So means that is called np dot array 70 50 30 20 80 34. Now I'll close this. And after that, we need to calculate the conditional means if result means like a conditional logic like a pass if a score greater than equal to 40, otherwise failed. In that case, we need to give np dot where greater than is equal to 40. Then two condition we need to give. One is pass and one is fail. Now I'll close the things. Now coming to this, I need to print the output. Last part is the print the output. So what I'll do? First I'll print the score. Okay. Print the score is equal to a score, and then later we print the result. Now I'm going to run this. Once I run, I'll get my output. See, score 70, 50, 30, 28, 80, 34. This is the my score, and result is coming what? Pass. If 70 is there means pass. If see if 30 is fail and 28 is also fail. And also if you see 34 is fail because this is all are greater than equal to 40. So this is our this is our conditional expression which we use in NumPy. Similar like that here np.where is checking the condition true value false value. Check the each element, and also if condition is true it will assign to true value, otherwise it will assign to false value. And here greater than equal to 40 we are using for the pass, otherwise fail. These are the major process we have done for the conditional expression. And end of video I'm going to take, if you know that conditional expression in NumPy, that is the very minimal structure. It will check a simple check to advanced data adjustment mostly we are using, and this is a very game changer. Let me know if you have any comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take a light tutorial for more Python tips. Thank you.